Hello everyone and welcome to J-Code. Today we're gonna build a meme generator bot, a meme generator Discord bot. Basically, this bot will get memes from the subreddit memes on Reddit, and it will post it on our server. So I'm gonna start importing some packages we need. Now, the second thing we're gonna do is we need to create our bot. Like I did in my previous video, I'm just gonna do it right now without explaining. If you want to understand what we're doing, just check out my previous video where I've built a Discord bot that checks for phishing links. So now I'm just gonna create my bot. So let's head on to the Discord developer portal. I'm gonna put out the link in my bio. So here we click on new application. I'm just gonna name it meme generator. Okay, we just messed up the name, let's correct it. Yeah, so let's choose this image for our bot. Okay, now let's now let's create permissions for our bot. Choose what our bot can do in our server basically. So we're gonna head on your URL generator. First we're gonna check on bot, then it's gonna send messages. We're gonna check the send messages button. We're gonna copy this link and we're gonna use later on to be able to add the bot in our server. Now let's finalize the creation of our bot. Yeah, now to be able to add the bot to our server, we're gonna paste the link we copied early on. Okay, I'm gonna choose this server, authorize. Yeah. Now we should see our bot appeared in our server. Okay, here it is, meme generator. Now let's program our bot. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, like I've said, we're gonna import memes from the meme subreddit on Discord. To be able to do that, we're gonna use some kind of an API to operate with Reddit. I'm not gonna use the official API of Reddit because it's very limited. I found this API. Basically, it has two endpoints. We're gonna use the first one, post URL. We will need to specify the subreddit URL. So here I'm gonna delete this subreddit and I'm gonna add memes. I think it's called memes, and we could use optional parameters, hot, new, or top. I'm gonna choose new to be able to send us the newer memes that were sent on this subreddit. Now let's copy the code. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna create a function called memes generator. Okay, I'm gonna paste the code in it. Okay, so here I'm just gonna create a little this piece of code basically will turn our JSON object to a Python object to be able to access it. So I'm gonna write API turn equal. Yeah, so if we take a look at our answer, at the result of the API, at the JSON file basically, okay, it's a big dictionary made up of several dictionaries. The first key is meta of the root dictionary, and the second key is posts. We only care about posts, so the first key that we need to use is post. Then in the value of the key posts is basically a list made up of several dictionaries. Each dictionary contain several keys and values. We will need only to take some keys that we are interested in, like for example, let's see, the URL to be able to fetch the image or the GIF or the video, whatever it is. And we need this one to be able to, if in this case here it's a video, the meme, we should get the link of the video. Let's try an example where it's a video. Okay, I cannot find any meme where it is a video. So yeah, we're gonna see later on how we do it in the code. Yeah, so basically we need the dictionary that match the key posts. Like I've said, if we look here, we only need the key posts. So to do that, I'm gonna take out the value of the key posts from the dictionary API return. Yeah, now I'm gonna make a loop to enter this this variable. Like I've said, this variable basically is a list made up of several dictionary. Each dictionary represents a meme, and this dictionary will be made up of several keys and values that represents some let's say some characteristic of this meme, like the URL of this meme, the link, the author, and things like that. So I'm gonna just paste this little piece of code. I wrote it before, so I'm just gonna change the so we had to define a list to be able to add to this list all the links of the memes. Yeah, so we're gonna use this list to send the memes on the server. So here what we're doing is, first we're getting into the list posts. The value of the key post is a list. We're getting into this list, and we're checking if the video, if the meme is a video. Okay, so if here is video is true, okay, we're gonna need to get into this dictionary. I'm trying to find a meme with a video to be able to show it for you guys, because I've wrote this code a week ago, so I've implemented this feature to be able to take videos, scrape videos. So let's see if I can find a meme with a video. I cannot find a meme where it is a video, because the last time I wrote this code, basically it had some memes with videos, so I encountered an error, and to solve it I've wrote this piece of code. What this code will do is, whenever it's a video, so is video is true, the key is video is true. Whenever the key is video is true, there's gonna be another dictionary in the list post where it's called media, and there is another dictionary in in media that's called Reddit video, and I'm just gonna get the URL of this video if this meme were a video. If it wasn't a video, it's just gonna get the URL of the meme. if we take a look here, there's a key in the list dictionary. There's a key basically in each dictionary that represents a meme called URL. Yeah, where it is? Okay, just this one. So if we copy this link, it's a link, it's a GIF. So if we copy paste it on Discord, we're gonna get the media, the GIF or the images, whatever it is. So if you take a look, see, we've got the meme. So yeah, we just need the URL, and we need to add this URL into a list to be able to iterate this list and post the memes or the media on our server, in our server. So yeah, basically we don't need to return anything because we're just changing the state of a list. We just filling a certain list. Okay, now I'm just gonna create a little greeting feature for our bot. So whenever we send hey, let's say hey meme bot, it's gonna reply with a message with a custom greeting. So I will need to create a big list where it has some custom greetings. Let's say for example this one. Yeah, so as you see, there's hi, hello, hey, hello, good morning. So there's several random greetings words that are used to greet someone. Okay, now I'm just gonna start programming my bot. We have the function here. Okay, so we need to implement it to our bot. First thing we're gonna do is we need to create an instance of the class Discord. So as I'm doing here. Now I've explained before how Discord works with the events and the asynchronous functions. I'm not gonna get into that now. You can just watch my last video. It's gonna pop on right on the screen. So you can just watch it and you will understand basically the technical side of building a Discord bot. Basically, yeah. So I'm gonna create an event. Okay, this event will be responsible to sending messages or detecting messages. Yeah, I'm gonna create the asynchronous function responsible for that. For that, I'm gonna write okay. Now we're gonna create a little condition to be able to send the greetings. So I'm gonna just write this down. I'm just gonna name our bot, let's say Cisco. Yeah, so what I'm doing here is the message that we got from the user. Okay, I'm gonna make it all upper cases using the function upper to be able to match any sort of message. So for example, if the user sent hey Cisco with a capital H only, whenever this message will be called with the function upper, it will transform it to this format. Same thing goes if the message of the user was, let's say, hey Cisco, all the letters were lowercase. Same thing when it will encounter the function upper, it will turn it to this one. So I'm just creating a unified condition, if you want to understand it that way. Yeah, so I'm just not gonna need to get the name of the user that sent the greeting to be able to reply to him. We're gonna use the function author to do that, and we're gonna send the message now. To be able to do that, we're gonna write message .channel.send, and we need to create a little function to be able to choose a random word from the list. To do that, I'm gonna create a function called choose randomly from a list, basically, and we're gonna use the function random that we imported early on. So what will happen here, the function random will choose a random.choice, basically will choose a random element from this list. So yeah, from any list basically, but we're gonna specify the list greetings here. Okay, so we're gonna write choose randomly from greetings, plus we need to mention the user, so user.mention. Yeah, now to be able to send the memes, what we're gonna do is now each time we send the word send memes like that, okay, what will happen is our bot will call the function that we defined early on and generate a response from the API and add each URL to this list, and it will send the memes on our server. Okay, now we're gonna create a little condition to be able to call to be able to generate the memes, basically. So whenever a user send this text send memes, it's gonna call the function. So let's write the condition. So same thing is going on here. I'm just using the .lower function to be able to create a generalized condition. Now, what we need to do is we don't want the bot to send the same memes over and over. So whenever we fill in our list of memes here, we fill it with URLs. Okay, we only need to show on the Discord server the new URLs that the Discord got. So what we will need to do is we're gonna create a variable called old list. Sorry, it's gonna be a copy of the list of memes. Okay, so list yeah, so here it should be outside the function. I just realized that now. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so okay, we need to get a copy from this list, and here I'm using the function copy because if we just write down old list equal list of memes, okay, because it's a characteristic of lists in function. Whenever we change the list of memes, it's gonna also change the old list. So we just need a copy. So we write it down like that, and we're gonna call after writing that down. We're gonna call the function memes generator. It's gonna fill in the list of memes. Okay, and old list will only have the old memes that we sent in our server. And what will happen here, we're gonna create a loop to be able to enter the list of memes and get only the new memes. Okay, so we're gonna compare, we're gonna say, for example, if the meme that the Discord bot will send is already in old list, don't send it. Okay, just send the one that doesn't appear in the old list. So to do that, we're gonna create a for loop to be able to enter the list of memes, and we're gonna write down this condition: if meme not in old list, await Okay, so we just writing this down to be able to not repeat the same memes over and over. Now we don't have to forget to add the token variable to be able to recognize our bot. So I'm gonna just get the token, yeah, so basically from here. Yeah, and we don't have to forget to end our code by running the function bot.run token. Yeah, so let's run our code. Yeah, so basically now our bot should appear online. Let's see if you write down hey Cisco. Yeah, yeah, I was thinking of adding another thing is a little delay between the memes, because now if you're gonna write down send memes, it's gonna send a big number of memes, and yeah, so it's more optimized to create little delay. So to use that, I'm gonna import the model time, and I'm gonna write here after sending the meme, after sending the message, it's gonna wait a little bit of time, let's say 5 seconds, to send the other message. So to do that, we're gonna use the time.sleep. We're gonna write it 5 seconds. Let's restart our bot, save it and run. Yeah, so let's test our bot first. Hey Cisco, let's say send memes. Wait, okay, we've made a little error here, a little typing error. Where was it? Yeah, here. Yes, so now it should work. Yeah, it's waiting now. As you saw, it waits 5 seconds between each meme. Yeah, so we could also create a command to be able to stop the running of the memes, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Yeah, I don't know why here it came as a link. Okay, so that was our bot. Basically, see here, it's waiting 5 seconds between each meme. Yeah, so this was our bot basically. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content, and see you in another video.